Good morning, everybody. Hopefully you were able to get some good sleep last night. I know we had that line of thunderstorms rolling through the Midlands, and with it, it was noisy because we had some powerful storms out there at times. We're going to continue to track showers and storms through the rest of this week and into the weekend, and it's still the big thing our First Alert weather team is tracking because we have more downpours and gusty winds that are going to last with us these next several days. We are still stuck in this summer-like pattern of high pressure deep off our shores, but it's a stronger area of high pressure, which is why we've got flow building in from our south and southwest. The boundary that's been hanging to our north still there. Look at the showers and storms across the deep south. They're riding right along the boundary, and this is going to be the source of yet another round of rain a little later into our Wednesday. Closer to home, you can see the heavier rain from earlier this morning while we were sleeping, now offshore, and we're dry as we kick off our Wednesday. Once we make it into your afternoon and evening, another round of thunderstorms, mainly across the Midlands and especially across parts of the PD. We're going to have lots of rain and thunder to deal with at some point during the second half of the day. Now, because of the opportunity for us to have some heavier rain out there, a flood watch was issued by our friends at the National Weather Service. That's for all the counties on your screen that you see in green. So this includes Kershaw, Lee, Sumter, Richland, Lexington, Calhoun, and Orangeburg counties, even portions of Aiken, Barnwell, and Bamberg counties included in this flood watch, which starts at 2 p.m., lasting all throughout Wednesday and even into Thursday. I just want to give you a reminder that a flood watch doesn't mean we're guaranteed flooding today. It just means that we have some ingredients in place. All the downpours that we got last night and into the early parts of this morning, those will contribute to the opportunity at flood-prone grounds, as well as the opportunity for us to see some of this heavier rain and thunder falling over the same places. So that's why we have a flood watch in effect, and it corresponds hand in hand with our excessive rainfall risk. This is for the rest of today and into Thursday, and we have a level 2 of 4 slight risk of excessive rain for all of the Midlands. That pretty much just means, with this in place, that we have the opportunity for some isolated flash flooding. Our best chances of flash flooding today are going to be in our typical spots near creeks or ponds, low-lying areas that are near bodies of water, places kind of similar to some of the flooding that we have briefly throughout 5 Points whenever we get downpours. One or two of those types of places are things that we're going to need to watch for later today, and of course that is all dependent upon when these downpours fire up and where they fire up at. Of course, if there's no rain over a place that had a lot of it last night, no need to worry about widespread flash flooding. Here's First Alert Featurecast out there this morning. We're drying out. As we head into the second half of the day, here goes our line of thunderstorms. They start to get going shortly after lunchtime, and they'll continue across the Midlands as we get into the second half of the day, noticing by 5, 6, and 7 o'clock, showers with rumbles of thunder that we're going to have to contend with out and about across the region. By midnight, I think we're going to start to dry out. That'll leave us mostly dry for your Thursday morning. I think by Thursday afternoon, yet again, more showers, more thunderstorms. Our coverage is on the climb Thursday, so that means more rain and thunder for you out there during the evening. And by midnight on Friday, once again, we'll start to dry out, but we're really wet as well for your Friday. Showers and thunderstorms can't entirely be ruled out during the second half of the day. Even Saturday looks wet as well at times. Showers, thunderstorms for you out there to start the weekend. Good news though, the boundary I just showed you to our north, it finally moves offshore once we get into Sunday. That's why we're mostly dry, with a stray shower chance to end the weekend and highs back around 90 degrees. So there is some relief in sight. Next week looks like it's mostly dry for us, so that's some good news and something we're going to continue to monitor here in the First Alert Weather Center. Now for your latest forecast, as always, you can head over to WISTV.com. You can click on our First Alert Weather article. That's where you can get your latest forecast information. We've got an hour-by-hour forecast. We've got our latest radar as well, so you can keep an eye out if you happen to be out and about for any type of plans out there once we make it into your Wednesday, Thursday, and especially for the start of the weekend with rain chances hanging around. For the First Alert Weather Team, I'm First Alert meteorologist Chandler Jordan. Make sure you stay with us. We'll start What's New this morning coming up in just a few minutes.